And I found I'm starting to get specced out just from the fact that my PC build is so old. Like everything else will just be the new bottleneck for me. So I think I'll probably have to start over and build from scratch, which is why I've been putting it off for so long because I'm scared of what is it going to be. I built that PC for $700. What's my next one going to be? Like $3,000 if I want something that can actually run modern games.
I mean,
if you want a top of the line-ish one,
I don't. I just want something that can run.
If you want like a mid, just
today's
it runs
stuff.
games well, I'd probably say $1,500.
Oh man, see that hurts.
But here's the thing: are you going to be playing new games, or are you going to be playing older games faster?
Well, that's a good point.
Older games faster.
That's what I loved, man. When I first built my PC, I played L.A. Noire, which was already an ancient game, and it was like buttery smooth at high graphics, whatever that means.